Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. Phone number 815-849-9089. We're here to show you some Forest River cedar log cabins. It's nice and windy out here today. I'm sure you can hear that. These are both 2009 cabins. One has cedar log siding, the other has cedar lap siding. We're going to concentrate on the log one for now. I'll give you a little walk around it. Cabelas used to sell these for a period of time, but now they no longer sell them. You have to buy them from me, Kelly Hicks Construction. This is a recreational park trailer. They're what's classified a park model. I'll show you, we got quite a few of them here. Some out front that are sold. But anyhow, back with the log cabin. This is the extra tall loft version. It's on a triple axle frame. Has a rear house type back door, in swinging. All thermal pane windows. There's the triple axles. It's prepped for central air. We're going to go on and have a look inside. This is beautiful cedar inside and out. It's the only thing like it manufactured in the United States today. This particular model has lazy boy furniture. That's a sleeper sofa and a reclining rocker. Very comfortable. In fact, I'll sit in it while I tell you about this. It's got plank wood linoleum flooring. If you didn't tell anybody the feel and texture of this, they would think you had wood flooring. But it's actually high quality Armstrong flooring. The table and chairs and the bed frame is knotty pine. And all the cabinet doors are a knotty pine. It's a front living room. It's got a 30-inch range and microwave. A lot of counter space in the kitchen. It's got a pantry. I'll show you inside the pantry. 3 shelves in there. It's got a coat closet. $56,000 BTU innertherm furnace. We're going to go in the bathroom now. All park models have a porcelain house type toilet unless you order them otherwise. Exactly what you see here is what you get. I made this video specifically for eBay. Over the years I've sold probably 10 of these because of auctions on eBay. We sell them locally, but like I say, about 10 of these have sold over eBay. You can come down and see us. Shipping on these things, generally speaking, runs between $3 and $5 per mile and is not included in the price tag. Here's the bedroom. You step down 1 step into the bedroom. That gives more room in the loft overhead. There's drawers and closets. All the electrical panel is conveniently located behind this. All clearly marked. Takes a 50 amp service to run one of these. They're set up for propane. They're made to be hooked to a holding tank or a sewer system. It's a direct flush to the sewer. Here's the house type back door. In swinging door with the storm door and a screen. I'm going to take you upstairs. We've got to go up the stairs. And now we're in the loft. I'll walk you around the loft here. Kids can definitely stand up in here. I'm hunched over. I can stand upright with my chin on my chest. It's about 4.5 feet, I believe, is the height of the big loft. Maybe closer to 5. At any rate, they're limited. There's a big loft and a small loft. They're good for sleeping. Kids love to play in them. They're good for storage. Maximize the use of your park model. I'll peer out over the top here. I'm looking from the loft area, panning around. Okay, I'm going to head on downstairs, give you one last look around, go back outside for one last look around. Bathroom, shower stall, tub surround, window. There's the vanity. Hello, eBay. Okay. We've already seen the coat closet. We've already seen the 56,000 BTU furnace. The fridge. 30-inch range. Big oven, you could cook a turkey in there, guarantee ya. Full size, just like a house. Window over the kitchen sink. Stainless steel single lever faucet. Okay. Cathedral ceiling with ceiling fan. I guess I should have showed you the ceiling. There's where I was filming a minute ago. I'm going to take a minute or two here yet to review the outside. And that'll be it for my 2009 Forest River Bristlecomb log cabin. We're right on the highway here in farm country, north central Illinois. Right on US Route 52. It's got a 40-year custom metal roof with hidden fasteners. Bay window at the dinette area. Triple axle frame. The dimensions on these are approximately 35 feet long, 12 feet wide, and the weight rating is 19,000 pounds. It takes a minimum of a 1-ton dual wheel pickup to be legal to haul these in Illinois. I always get all kinds of questions like that, but to be truthful with you, the only people that have ever bought these from me have me deliver them. So if you ask me a question about towing it yourself, I'll know right away that you're probably not going to buy. It's got a 20-gallon electric hot water heater, and like I say, it's a 2009 Bristlecomb Lodge. Next victim, we'll be looking at the Cedar lap cabin. Then we're going to do the other tall loft that's blue there. And we're going to do the CBCL center loft. But for right now, that's a complete video of our Cedar log cabin by Forest River. Look how beautiful them logs are. I think you need this on your campsite. Forest River, owned by Warren Buffett's Berkshire